Hi guys, happy Friday. Welcome to another Twitter space. And today we will be talking to Naur, who is the founder of Alvey Chains. So, yeah, Naur, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for having me. This amazing
Mm-hmm.
AMA. Thank you so much,
It's a
guys.
pleasure.
Well, yeah, can you
Yeah,
hear me,
yeah,
guys?
definitely.
Yeah, perfect. Uh, well, I'm Noor, Alfie Chain founder. It's been a long day, a long way, a long week, a long year because we are going to celebrate 1 year, Alfie Chain 1 year old. So we are really excited about it. And we started Alvi Chain
Mm-hmm.
a year ago, but actually the whole concept uh, it was on for like 2 years or something. But we get into it later on. So I'm a member of a team of 24 developers that we are working at Alvi Chain, and we are extremely happy to let you guys discover what an amazing project we have here.
Mm-hmm. Yep, definitely. So yeah, the first question that I have for you, Naur, is can you explain in more detail how the LV chain blockchain works, especially its unique features like the VR multiverse exchange?
Definitely. Um, well, for those who just joined, Alvi Chain is a layer two blockchain. Yeah, it's more likely a hybrid blockchain because um, I'm going back in time to let you guys know a little bit of history about Alvi Chain. I think this is really exciting. Well, Alvi Chain started, as I said, 1 year ago. But when we started, then we started as a chain. Then later on, because it was extremely hard to implement functions and collaborate with MetaMask and other dApps that are extremely popular, we decided to switch to a layer two blockchain. So this is actually what we did 8 months ago, and we use codes from different blockchains. We upgrade those codes, we add it inside, and we work really hard to bring you guys 200,000 transactions per second blockchain with the speed. I mean, the speed is incredible, but it's extremely cheap to trade. So this is the reason we have on our chain a lot of projects, a lot of meme coins that joined lately. They joined a few weeks back, and we are doing crazy good. And I didn't expect that to have such a huge popularity in such a short amount of time. And regarding the VR multiverse exchange, well, it's a new concept that we started, and we are planning to use our blockchain inside the exchange. So to make it more simple, is actually an exchange. At this moment, we are using our DEX to trade inside AR and VR environment. Means that everyone can trade in virtual reality and augmented reality with Alvi chain inside, I mean, with our blockchain, which is a huge milestone, not only for crypto, because we targeted and I mean, when we started, we targeted with this amazing concept. We targeted I would say, bigger companies to join because what we build, we are building like for crypto, but for stock traders as well. So it's an amazing, I would say, trading, from traditional to the futuristic trading, and I'm getting more into it along the way to not spoil the surprises that we have regarding this.
Okay. No worries with that. We will wait for any of your updates. So, um, sorry. How does Alvey Chain achieve a speed of 200K transaction per second, and what makes it stand out?
Well, first of all, we are a new chain, a hybrid one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are extremely new. Our codes that we used to build Alvey chain, nobody did, and we even added an AI inside our chain to let the chain update it himself. Yeah, to just switch the focus for daily upgrades on the chain from our developers to something to somewhere else where it was needed. But um, now we switch back to the old school method. Yeah, so we are doing again the maintenance and upgraded ourselves because actually the AI multiplied himself, and we had a small thing with it, so we stopped the AI and we took out from the entire blockchain. The transactions per second, it's all made by our validators. So at this point, we have just two validators on the chain, and we have a queue of 193 validators that are waiting to join, and next week they can join because by working so hard to build something really good and extremely secure. We built our own explorer as well, so we had a little bit of wait. Now that the new explorer is ready, we are going to bring the validators inside. Well, for the actually the validators will push our blockchain over 200 transactions per second. It's thanks to them that our chain will reach that speed.
Okay. That's good to hear. Now, how does the Alvey Chain plan to maintain its decentralization while scaling up?
On our side, it's extremely simple. At this point, uh, to be fully transparent, we are fully transparent with our community from day one. And we are building along the way, even when our community gives us suggestions about this, about that, we are taking in consideration, and we are building around our main products what community desires as well. I will give you an example. Just by request, we built on our chain two casinos because people asked us, they just want to play poker or something like that. So we did it as well, just to make them happy as well. I mean, the decentralized way and how Alvey chain started. I will get back again in time, and I would like to share this with our audience that when we first started our project, we just did um, a, a pre-sale. It's like it was a fair lunch at that time. So we refused a lot of ventures, a lot of private investors, because we wanted to build something that only normal people like me, like you, have access to a startup at I mean biggest as we are becoming in time. So I'll give you this example. Well, all the validators are normal people that they want to join our chain. So we don't we didn't accept it at first, and then we started to just refuse big companies to join Alvey chain. Until now, we have a huge company. It's a banking system that actually wants to start with Alvey chain, because they want to test.
Okay. All right. Great. Um,
It's more than that. We can talk hours regarding the decentralization, but I give you just a
mm,
small amount. Yeah.
I understand. No worries. So yeah. The other thing that I want to ask is, can you share more about the Alvey chain DEX? How does it ensure security, speed, and low costs for users?
Definitely. Well, um, actually, we have two dexes. We have the first. I mean, we have one dex that is running on Binance Smart Chain that allows people to stake, to farm WLV, and as well to trade. Then we have the second dex that's on Alvey chain that allows people to trade inside our blockchain. And this time we have separately staking systems. We didn't want to put it all together this time. Yeah. Well, the speed comes actually from the blockchain itself, because I mean, everyone knows when you are going to buy on a decentralized exchange, you are going to use the slippage, and the slippage you can normally we are adding a low slippage to not be front runted. Well, on our chain, we are using high slippage because our chain it's so powerful regarding the speed
Mm.
and regarding how cheap it is, that actually the trade is instant. So users are paying like 0.0000001 for just a trade,
Uh-huh.
which compared to other blockchain, it's crazy good. So yeah, definitely we are ensuring a higher level of security, because we are working with Cloudflare and different third parties, and we are hiding in many ways our codes just to make sure that everything works smoothly and perfect.
That's good to hear. So, what is the concept behind the metaverse? Sorry, Alvey metaverse, and how does it integrate with the blockchain and the DEX?
Well, should I start with the beginning, or let's go faster?
It's your choice.
Because
You can take your time.
okay. Well, first of all, when we started our blockchain, we wanted to create something unique beside the VR and AR exchange. Yes.
Yeah.
So we wanted to build something cool that people can go inside and can have like a nice experience. So we built a whole metaverse around the concept of the elves, because as you guys can see, our logo and everything that we are building around Alvey chain, it's about the elves. If you guys know the reference with Lord of the Rings, well, we are huge fans, yes. So this is the reason we built everything around Alvey on the elves manner. Well, even we have our elves forest inside our metaverse, where we are using our NFTs to unlock different parts of the metaverse. We have as well three castles inside the metaverse, where people can access different parts of our products. They can trade on the decks inside the castle. They can collect NFTs, airdrops inside the metaverse itself. Well, we are still working on the metaverse because it's really huge. We have around 65 gigabytes of data. So right now we released just 5 gigabytes of data. And after we finish the VR exchange, we are going to focus 100% on the metaverse experience. You can find it on our website if you like, and you are curious to check it out. It's one of the kind. We built it from zero, and we are really proud. about it, and we wanted to use, and everything that we are building around Alvey chain itself. So on the whole blockchain, so everything that happens inside the metaverse is on Alvey chain. So the main use case of the blockchain is as well inside that metaverse. People can trade, can collect different NFTs built on Alvey chain, airdrops. They can fight as well. We have a small arena. They can fight as well. So it's another level of cooliness, I would say. Yeah.
All right. Now, how does Alvey Chain plan to make trading fun in the metaverse?
Well, actually, we are using our VR and AR exchange for that.
Okay.
I'll give you this example. You are entering inside where the castles are. We have three castles, and on the first castle where we have our logo on top. Yeah. Again, if you guys would like to know and you are curious about, just go on our website and you have it on the bottom, the metaverse, and when once you are getting inside, you are going to approach a door, yeah, the door that is in front of you, and you are connecting directly with the VR and AR exchange, and there it starts the trading. On the VR and AR multiverse exchange, we have two types of trading. So we can trade in a centralized way, and we can trade as well as a decentralized way by using our DEX. So everything is connected. I will say all our products are connected in an entire huge ecosystem that allows people to use at 100% our products and our blockchain, because this is the main reason we build Alvey blockchain.
Okay. That's cool to hear. And that's fairly easy because they can just go to your website and be connected to the multiverse. I mean the metaverse right away. So also can you elaborate on the types of dApps that Alvey Chains supports and what are some successful examples?
Whew, we are building a lot of dApps lately. So Uh, I mean, all of them are successful. I will not just point at one or two. I mean, everything we are building, because we have as well some other developers that joined Alvey Chain, and we are building with them part of the dApps. Then our team are building part of the dApps as well. So we started with the dexes, yeah, the two dexes. We build the dexes, then um, we build the bridge, the staking systems. We build as well, as I said, the casinos that are working on top of our chain. Uh, I mean, the most successful, I think regarding the dApps, the most successful is the VR exchange was actually ready, and we still have on Twitter. If you guys can check 1 month back, we still have the test trading. If you have your VR goggles, the Meta Quest 2, you can already start trading in our VR exchange. Yeah, so I think the most successful has to be the VR and AR exchange. Yeah, I can't hear you. Maybe
Oh, sorry,
you
I
put
was
the
talking on mute.
no worries.
Sorry.
No happened. No
Yeah, yeah,
worries.
yeah.
Happened before to me as well. No worries.
Yeah. So yeah, the question that I have is how does the Alvey Chain plan to support the development of dApps?
Oh, this is a good question.
Mm-hmm.
I like it a lot. Well, because we are becoming really really popular lately, and we can see that there's a lot of projects built on top of Alvey chain. By the way, if you guys are curious, you can check on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, or I mean, there's a lot of integrations around. You can check projects built on Alvey chain. They are going crazy good, and people love to build on our chain. We have trading bots on our chain. We have NFT marketplace on our chain, and different dApps that people are building on Alvey. Um, uh, Again, I would like to add that AmpleSwap built a new DEX on our chain a few days ago. Now they are releasing staking as well on our chain. Means that we are getting really popular, and we are doing like a hackathon. We are going to start. Next month to reward good projects built on Alvey chain. So projects that have good products and they are built on our chain, they
Mm-hmm.
can get rewards between 20,000 and $30,000.
Okay. All right. That's like that's big amount of money, but yeah, it is worth it, I think.
Yes, definitely. It's good to reward good developers
Mm,
because if they like they see this kind of rewards, then they will build more.
yeah.
And I believe in this system of if they gave us value because they're bringing value inside our chain with their own products, why not to give them back reward just to build more? So I believe in this system, to be honest.
Okay. Now, can you tell us more about the Android or iOS wallets? How do they integrate with the Alvey chain ecosystem?
When we started, this was from layer one, I believe. We wanted to build an Android and iOS wallet, and then we think twice because it's good to have your own wallet, but actually, it's better to integrate the chain to different wallets. So this way, we can have more partnerships and we can bring more and more attention over our project. So
Uh,
in this way to bring, I would say, Alvey chain on other projects to let people discover us this way. So we've been really successful because uh, we bring the Alvey chain to multiple wallets out there, and the community, their own community, discovered us. So it was a really good opportunity to let our community discover them, use their own wallets, and us being discovered by that specific community. So I believe it was a good change of plan in how Alvicin growth did grow, like in a
in
few
1 year.
months
Yeah.
from now. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, can you share more about Alvey chain's partnerships? I mean, we are one of that, but I wanted to
Yeah.
know more.
All right, all right. Yeah, first of all, Sweet Blockchain, thank you so much. I mean, you guys rocking hard. Thank you
Thank you.
for being partner with us. Uh, you guys are doing an amazing job, and I can say that we are having other partners as well. I don't know, maybe at this point we are around 300 partners. We
Mm,
just have. We just have a few on our website because the list is so long and people will get like boring just to see every logo there, you know. So we posted everything on Twitter. I mean, every partner that we have, and we are working close with them because we would like to bring value as well from their side. If they would like to build with us, we can build for our project, for their project as well. We can do together a lot of cool futures. Yeah. So I mean, we started with the integrations actually around the whole crypto ecosystem. We can name a few like Voltino. We have different different partners that can allow us to pay with credit card, to buy with credit card, WLV. Uh, they can buy. They can actually. We have a project that allows you to buy plane tickets with WLV. You can make your own reservation to the hotel with WLV. So they added a lot of value. So us as well using their own services, they makes us more powerful as well, because we have a huge community that just love to use everything that we have around Alvey chain. And yeah, we are looking for more partners. Definitely we want to expand more and more and more, because this is just the beginning for us. We just want to have, if it's possible, every single day to announce a nice partnership. So if you have a good project that has a nice value, just bring it on. Contact us. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, guys, you can contact them. We will tag them in the post so you will be able to get through to their Twitter space or Twitter account, sorry. So
Yes.
what are the key milestones in Albi Chain's roadmap for the next year?
Well, we have a huge roadmap for this year. That's actually it's really really huge, and we are working really really hard to deliver it, because what we have planned is more or less really challenging, and I think the keys of these futures is to bring this year as we wanted and we desire,
Uh-huh.
with all the products that we are doing around one. Our roadmap it's made to bring this value. And by the way, we have a cool future inside the roadmap that I would like to share as well with you. We have our first manga book. If you
Oh,
guys are into anime, well,
yeah, I
we are.
am.
Okay, well, stay close, because we are going to launch our own manga book in 8 chapters that will be ready as well. So we have a lot of cool features. But if you like to discover more and more about Alvey Chain, let's not forget, if I may, to let you guys know, we will be on Barcelona in 2 months from now. We'll be on Barcelona with Chainlink. We are invited at SmartCon, and then we are going to release the VR and AR exchange, which is going to be
Okay.
mentally good. So, if you like to join us in Barcelona to see it with your own eyes, how amazing this future is, well, you can join us.
All right, that's good. So the other question that I have for you is how does Albi Chain plan to expand its user base and ecosystem in the future?
Well, definitely, we are at the beginning. I would say, even after a few months, there are some blockchains out there that they have like a more speedy process, I would say, regarding the expanding of their own ecosystems. Well, regarding Alvey Chain, we started all from scratch. So we started from zero, and we can see that we have a nice feedback for everything that we are doing. So definitely, we need to expand with more partners. We need, because we didn't started yet a huge marketing around our products. So when this will be set up, and everything will start this year, because we have the Explorer will be 100% ready and functional.
Mm-hmm.
The VR exchange will be out there. Everything will be ready. So what is needed now is the huge marketing around them. So this is what we are planning to do next. So it will happen, I will say, in a short amount of time, to not use days, weeks, or months, in short amount of time, because all the our products will be ready and fully functional. What is needed is the strong marketing around it. Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that. Sorry.
No worries.
Okay, sorry. I was listening on the other device.
Okay.
But yeah.
No
Um
worries.
okay. So, can you tell us more about the team behind Alvey Chain and what are their backgrounds and experiences?
Definitely. Well, phew, when we started our project, we were a group of traders, yeah, and we did very, I mean, extremely well on the bull run,
Okay.
extremely well, and I mean, we are in this crypto space, 2015, 2017, myself,
Mhm.
other part of my team as well.
I think we lost you. Hello, Noor. Can you hear us? Hello? Wait, guys. I think we're just having, or we're experiencing a little bit of technical glitch. Wait. Okay, just one moment. We'll ask Naor to join again because we lost him. A moment. Okay, guys, just one moment. We're still waiting for Naor to join back. Sorry about the glitch. So as of now, we have a lot of audience, and thank you so much for joining us today. Um, yeah, let's see. Quite a lot, yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna call Naor. One moment. Just give us 2 minutes. Hello, Naor. Can you hear us now? Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Oh, sorry for that. Did you guys heard what I said, or I was disconnected
um,
before?
yeah, you were disconnected, so you didn't hear anything.
Oh my God. Oh, sorry about that. So, yeah, probably my on my side. I'm on 5G, by the way, because my home internet is giving this kind of buggy stuff. So, yeah, but now I'm back. So let's discuss now briefly about my team. Well, part of my team uh, they worked for MakerDAO, for DAI stablecoin. They
Oh,
worked as well for Kite trading bots. They build exchanges. They build a lot of stuff, including myself. I work with smart contracts. I worked in different part of Python coding, I will say, even with Ruby on Rails and so on and so on. So we have like a huge background. And when we started Alvey Chain, we started with our own money. We wanted to build something to bring value, but to push us, I will say, into the history, to become history, to build something that put our names out there. And when we will have kids and they will,
we can't hear you again. Sorry.
oh my God,
Now we can.
oh my phone, can you hear me? Oh
Yeah,
my God, I'm going to,
that's
okay.
okay. It happens. Yeah, we can hear you now. You can go on with what you were saying.
Oh, I was saying about my team, then probably that was the reason. I mean, that went a little bit buggy on my side. Well, part of my team, as I said, worked for MakerDAO.
Mm-hmm.
Other part of my team worked for DAI stablecoin, Kite trading bot. They build exchanges. They build a lot of stuff, including myself. We worked on everything from, I mean, everything in Python, I will say.
Okay.
Yeah, we are that kind of geeks, so we love to work, but to bring value, and we want to this is the reason we started Alvey Chain. We wanted to bring something that nobody did and put ourselves to history, so to bring our names, to put it out there into the history, and to let people know, and to let especially our kids know when they're growing up, that look, my father built that. He was the one who built the first VR and AR exchange in the world. So
Mm-hmm.
this is actually our motivation that puts because we are working every day in crypto. You don't have like a day off. We are working uh, day and nights,
Yeah.
and we want to succeed, and we will, because we are doing everything for it. And by becoming history, I would like that your audience to get back in 1 year to check us to see how we are doing. And I'll be happy to do another AMA with you guys and
Yep.
to give you more updates about Alvey Chain. So thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. No problem at all. So since I don't have any more questions for you, we will ask our audiences and also check our replies through this space to see for questions that you can answer. Okay. So
All right.
I have a question here. Wait. Pacman, BNB. So, can you elaborate on how Alby's utility, such as the ability to build beam tokens, NFTs, and smart contracts, empower users to create value? Sorry, lost it. Lost it. Where was that? Oh my god, I lost it.
No worries.
Yeah,
Happens.
value on top of the blockchain. How does the distribution of fees among stakers and validators work in this ecosystem?
Well, as you guys know, every single time when a transaction happens inside the
Uh-huh.
blockchain itself, yeah, there are some fees that are distributed along the validators, and not along the stakers, because staking it's apart from the validator. So all the fees, the transaction fees that happens inside our chain is distributed along the validator. So it's distributed equally on the number. So the chain itself calculates how much percent it will have the first validator, the second validator. So it's not about the amount that the validator staked. It's about the equally distribution. So because on layer one we had this distribution when people had to stake a huge amount of coins as validator, and then they could receive a huge amount of coins as well. But on layer two, we don't want to create whales in this way. We prefer to distribute everything equally. So on layer two, for 7 months, all the distribution is made equally.
Okay, I have an interesting question here. So, this is from Ash. What does the name Alvey means? Is that a name of any avatar character?
Oh, nice one. Thank you. Well, Ash, uh, first of all, the logo, it looks
Yeah,
amazing, isn't it? I mean, it's blue, kind of
yeah.
avatar-ish, but we are elves, Ash. We are elves. We use the colors because we are working with a palette of colors to make it unique. But but actually we are elves, yeah. So everything that is around Alvey, it's about elves. If you know Lord of the Rings, well, it's the same reference for Alvey as well. So the name Alvey actually means in the old Germanic language, means noble friend. And we choose this name because everything that we are doing, we are sharing with everyone. So everything that we are building on Alvey chain, we are helping other devs, we are helping every single one, even our community are helping people around. So the name stands for noble friend. So we are a noble friend that we are here to support every project, and our community supports new people that are joining, that want to discover Alvey chain. So yeah, the name itself means noble friend.
Wow, that's a good one. So, we are going to ask some of our audiences. I mean, we are going to ask them to join so they can ask you questions. Let's see.
Lovely, let's go.
Okay. Let's go with Satoshi. Wait, I'll add him as a speaker. Why? Oh, sorry. He did not request for. Okay, let's go with Nora. Nora, yeah. Connecting. Hello, Nora. Can you hear us?
Hello,
Hello,
Nora.
hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. We can.
All right, thank you very much for the opportunity. So I want to ask everything, like can you tell us like some of the sustainability plans you put in place for the project, and also what are some of the new innovations you plan to input into the project?
Well, I mean, I heard you really, really low I didn't understood well your
Yeah.
question. Can you please rephrase it? But
Speak a little louder, please. So we
All right. My question was, can you tell us some of the sustainability plans for the project, and also can you tell us some of the new innovation you plan to infuse in the Avi chain?
if I heard this well, the future plan for Alvey Chain and other projects, is that all right, Nora?
Yes, and some of the new innovations you plan to impute in the project.
All right. Well, the efficiency on our blockchain, actually, it can run smoothly with just few servers. I mean, we are really efficient in that way, and we can say that it's more than low cost blockchain that we have, really fast, it's really efficient as well. By having the VR and AR exchange that we allow people to trade for free, yeah, it's again efficient. And with this, I believe that we are going to reach a huge audience. And everything that we are building, we are focusing to bring more efficiency inside our ecosystem as well. Other projects that let's not forget other projects that are building on our chain. They are making crazy good. We have projects that made 1,000x on Alvey chain. I mean, it's crazy where you are going to see that on on this bear market. So I mean, it's amazing good what's happening inside Alvey chain. So I will kindly suggest everyone, if you like to check it, you can go on Dex Tools, choose our amazing logo with this elf with blue face and yellow hair, and check it out. The projects on our chain, they are going amazingly good.
Okay, so we will have another audience ask question. Just one moment. Please request, but I can see a lot. Wait one moment. Jason, Jason, can you hear us? Hello, Jason, can you hear us? Yes, I can. Sorry, we can. Yes.
Okay, so my question is in regards to the ARV token. I just want to know in terms of the token, like, can you tell us about the security architecture of the token? Has it been audited? And also, how do you tend to like protect it from hacks?
Hello, Jason.
Did you hear that, Noor?
I think you just disconnected.
Yeah, can you hear us, Noor? Okay. So we will park that question, Jason. So, but can you hear us, Noor? I can see you unmuting yourself. Okay. I think we lost Noor again. Okay, just one moment. One moment. Hang on, Jason. One moment. Okay. There. Did you hear Jason's question, Noor?
Sorry for that. Sorry, guys, for that. Jason, sorry for the wait. Just, I don't know, probably it's the Twitter space. One thing I will say, dear Elon Musk, can you please do something? Thank you.
Okay. So yeah, Jason was asking about the utility of the token. Is that right, Jason?
Yeah, yeah.
So there. What
Lovely.
if it's what's the use case of the token? So yeah, that's his question.
All right. Lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, first of all, so our tokens on Binance Smart Chain and on Ethereum allows people to transit towards our blockchain itself. Yeah. So you can buy, I'll give you this example on Binance Smart Chain, and then you can transit and unwrap directly on our blockchain. On our blockchain, you can trade, you can stake, you can play, you can do whatever you like. And our WALV tokens as well, they they have staking systems with other partners. So I will give you an example. Mules, they have a staking system with us as well. I think Baby Dodge has a staking system with us. Ample Swap, they have as well a staking system, and maybe there are a few more, but I can't remember right now. But again, and we are going to release shortly lending and borrowing system as well. So regarding all the tokens that are in circulation, we are going to give them as much as we can use cases inside our chain. This is the first, but outside as well, because people love to stake, they love to borrow, to stake, to do free movement inside. So yeah, we have many use cases actually.
Okay, that's good to hear. So we are almost out of time, but yeah, I just want to thank everyone. Do you have any last words for our listeners, Naor, and also those people who will replay this Twitter space?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank you personally. Thank you so much for being such a nice host,
Thank you.
for having us. Thank you so much. Second of all, I would like to say a huge thanks to everyone that joined and discovered with us all together information about Alvey Chain and discovered our project for the first time. I would like to thank you guys, all of you. Thank you so, so much for being here, for being curious and discovered.
Okay, I think we lost Naor again. But that's okay. Thank you so much, Naor, and thank you everyone who has joined our Twitter space. Um, yeah, you can check out Walvi. We have tagged them in the post, and yeah, see you next week. Thank you. Bye.